So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'd like to show you how I'm able to style my hair in a different way. So this time around I'm coming with a special style. Like, I'm ready, as you can see. So get your tools ready. You just need your comb, thread, and your hand skills, like your hand skills. But if you don't have the hand skills, don't worry, don't bother, I'm here to help you. Please forget to say this. If you are new to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Is that so start by this. My hair can be really difficult, so I just, once my hair is so hard for me to comb, I use this. I have other stuffs to use though, but I run to this like very quickly, just small, because the stuff is to draw on my hand and I don't like it, but it actually helps me to comb my hair faster. So just apply this on my hair. Okay. This time around, I'm going through this corner. Starting from this end. Starting from this point. Stop it here. That here, I'm going to come here and apply my gel here. I just did this, but normally I don't like doing this, but just did this because I wanted the whole edges, like, thing to be done with before you start the hair. Unless you have time to, you want to come back and start fixing your edges after making the hair fine. But I don't want to do that. So this will go this way, this will go this way, and yeah. So this. This way, and I'm picking two different strands, and then I'm using this my third hand to pick this while I move with this. That's where you braid, you just pick small part of the hair and you move, and you pick small part of the hair and you move. So that's just basically. And when I pick this, I twist this and I turn. Like, I twist this one inside, I pick another one with this hand here, and I turn. To make it look very neat, just take it little by little. Take from here So this is definitely how I'm going to move out today. I'm looking good. I can say I've not even put earrings, so I've not even done any makeup, and my first is already out. And I believe with this, I'm able to help one way or the other. If you are like rushing, just do flat twist here, flat twist here, and pack the rest of your hair so that at least it will bring out your face other than just maybe plainly packing your hair. I have this afro bun. I would also love to put at the back if you want. I might put it at the back, not every day. You know, we are just changing styles because we don't want to have a particular look every day. So maybe the next day I could put an afro bun at the back of my hair, and then I think I'll do it today on how to make use of afro bun if you're interested. And then I also made another afro bun like from used kinky. I have it in my video. I could also use that my afro bun I made with kinky and attach at my back to make my hair maybe not look this small, or maybe like fuller, to look like I have something so much on my hair. I wanted to style this with some accessories. So if you have an accessory, you could put on maybe just little on them so it will not look so so you get. So tell me in the comment section what you really like about this my hairstyle. If you want me to do a full-time tutorial on how to flat twist to think about my hairstyle, it's simple. Yep, and that's the idea, for it to be simple. It's really beautiful. See you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the video.